Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Sharsin Tawar. I study in 5B. Today I am going to narrate a story. The title of the story is Monkey and a Crocodile. Once upon a time, in the middle of a dense forest, there is a mighty river. In that river, lived an old crocodile. He was not able to hunt anymore because he was weak and feeble. One day, when he was very hungry, so he thought to himself, it is very difficult to go on land and hunt animals, so I should try to catch some fishes in the river. When the crocodile tried to catch some fishes, the fishes are slipped out of his hands. Wow. Okay. Slipped out of his hands. Drained and dejected, he finally decided to rest under a tree at the riverside. The monkey was sitting on the branches of that tree and eating some berries. Branches of that tree and eating some berries. The crocodile saw the monkey and asked him that, "Oh dear monkey, what are you eating? Can you give me some of these?" "Oh dear monkey, what are you eating? Can you give me some of these, please? Because I am so hungry." Then the monkey said, "These are berries. These are so sweet. Eat these." After eating the berries, the crocodile said, "Yes, yes, these are so sweet berries. Thank you, my friend. When I was hungry, you helped me. I will be grateful to have a friend like you. Can you be my friend?" Then the monkey said, "Yes, yes, sure, why not? We are friends now." Thereafter, every day the crocodile came to that tree and the monkey gave him berries. They used to be having a lot of fun together, and in this way they have been a very good friends. One day the crocodile asked to the monkey that, "Listen, my friend, can you give me some berries, my wife? I will took them berries to my wife." Then the monkey asked, "Yes, yes, sure, why not? I'll pluck them right now. Let's go." Then the monkey plucked the berries merrily and gave them to crocodile, and crocodile took them to the other side of the river where his wife stayed. Then after reaching the other side of the river, the crocodile said, "Darling, look what I have get for you." Then the crocodile said, "Sweet berries." Then the wife of the crocodile said, "Oh wow, these berries are so sweet. My dear husband, till when you will survive on these berries? As I was thinking that the monkey eats these berries every day, so how sweet will he be?" After saying his wife, the crocodile said, "Yes, yes, he is very nice. Yes, yes, he is very nice. He eat them and also give them to me." Then the wife of the crocodile said, "Actually, I was thinking that how sweet will be his heartbeat. And I had not tasted meat since a long time. Can you get me his heart? His heart?" Upon hearing this, the crocodile said that, "How can I do this? He is my friend. I cannot betray his trust. If I'll give you his heart, he will die. He fed me when I was hungry, and now you're telling that I want to kill him." After saying the crocodile's wife said, "I don't want to listen anything. I just want the monkey's heart. Otherwise, I'll kill myself." After listening to his wife, the poor crocodile feel helpless and sadly went to the monkey to convince him to go with him. After reaching the monkey's riverside, the crocodile said, oh dear monkey, my wife is very happy. My wife is very happy to get the berries. He called you for lunch. Let's go to my home and lunch with us." After saying the crocodile, the monkeys asked, "Yes, how nice of her. How nice of her. Let's go." The monkey agreed to go with the crocodile, and go to the journey happily. During the journey, the monkey asked, "My friend, what is your wife going to cook for us?" Then the crocodile said, "Do you like bananas, right? My wife is going to cook delicious freshly banana bread. My wife is going to cook freshly baked banana breads and delicious cookies specially for you." Then the monkey said, "Oh, there is going to be a feast today." And when the crocodile sees his friend's happiness, he thought that he should tell everything about his wife's intention. Poor monkey, what should I do? I should tell him the truth that my wife wants to eat his heart. Then, after thoughting, the crocodile said that, "Oh dear monkey, I I want to tell you something that my wife wants to eat your heart. Please forgive me." As soon as the monkey heard this thing, he got an idea because he was a smart monkey. Yes, why not? Sure, why not? But we monkeys keep our hearts safely on their trees. So we should go back to the tree to get my heart. Then the monkey got the then the crocodile got the monkey to the tree. As soon as the monkey reached the tree, he quickly jumped off and climbed the tree and said, "You stupid crocodile, how can anyone keep his heart on tree and stay alive? I'll give you so much food, and what do you do in return? You are a traitor. Now, you'll neither get a good friend and nor sweet berries. Now go away." The monkey saved his life with his cleverness, and the crocodile, because of his stupidity, lost a great friend and sweet berries. So the story ends here, and the moral of the story is a wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. So thank you, my friends. Bye.